Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you Emmet basics today. You'll learn how to write something long as this with a simple line like this. I'm using VS Code. VS Code already includes Emmet. If your code editor doesn't have Emmet, you have to install it yourself. Now first, enter the exclamation mark, press tab. Now you got all of that from a few keystrokes. That's the point of Emmet, to save time. This line is for scanning and now press tab twice. Now you can change the title to whatever and press tab once again, and now you're inside the body tag. Naming a tag and pressing tab is pretty obvious. To add a class to a tag, you simply put a dot. To add an ID to the tag, you simply put a hashtag, just like CSS select does. For both, you simply add both. Let's try something else. I'm going to make an unordered list with 10 list items. For that, I'm going to type times the number of items I want. Press tab. Just like that. It doesn't have to be in something like unordered list. It can be anywhere. It can be any tag. And you also can make two of them using the plus sign. Let me show you how you can make use of all of that. I'm going to make a header with the class top inside a nav with the ID navbar, and inside img for the logo, and an unordered list with a class of links and the ID of nav links, and inside there will be 4 list items with each having a link. Now you just press tab and tab and tab to fill things up. If you liked what you learned today, check out my basics of SAS video where you can learn how to code CSS much faster. Thanks for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe.